Welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time of watching the videos on my channel, you are welcome. We love you. Please subscribe, like, comment. You know, we're one big family here learning things. Okay. In this video I'll be showing you on how you can know if your SCUML certificate is fake, if it is real, how you can verify your certificate. Okay. Now, of course, if you have watched my last two videos, you know where this site is now. This is scuml.org, scuml.org. Okay, so once you come to this site, you see this sidebar, all this red. I'm just going to use my hand to zoom it out. You see, we have FAQs, we have registration guideline, we have DNF BPS online registration. I've talked about what this is. Okay, now what we are concerned about, there are two. Number one, approved certificates. If you click on this approved certificate, I already did, which it's automatically downloaded. So you will see according to state and according to Lagos. I don't know if I can share it with you, but I don't want to download it again because it's a large file. If you ask me to download the exam, because you see, I'm just going to cancel it. So once you click on it, you will see it over there. Okay, those are the approved certificates. Now the next one here is verify SCUML certificate. How do you verify? You click on this verify certificates. Okay, so I'm going to be using the one I used as practical in my last two videos to show you. You see, I'm going to be using that. So it's asking for SCUML number. So the certificate is out. I'm just going to type in the number here. If you have watched the last two videos, you will be familiar with the name by the time the search is up. Okay. Okay, so once you put your number here, you click on search. You see, so it's going to bring it out. This is how to verify if it is original or not. You see, status registered. You see, the company name is over here. So that is how to know if your certificate is real or fake. Now another thing I want to show you is how to know the status of your application. So this is the last option here, SCUML application status. So just click on it, come over here and type in, I'm going to be using another name for instance, and click on search. Okay, you see, status issued, it has been issued. So this is how to know if your certificate is fake or real. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Thank you.